Hey, it's Joe here, and today I'm working, well, I was checking out my truck, and it turns out that my caliper here is sticking on this tire again. I've had to change that twice since I've had this truck. The first time I had to change it, I got the rotors, or the calipers that have the lifetime warranty, so the second time I didn't have to pay for it, and this time I won't have to pay for it. But hopefully this time it stops sticking. When I was a kid, I used to work on this other car, the one in the back. I don't even remember seeing this one. Not even sure what it is. Dodge, Dart maybe. This is a Chrysler Imperial. This is the one I was working on. It belonged to a fellow named Charlie, and I always thought it was awesome the way the lights on it look. Looks a little more beat up back there than I remember. I always thought it was cool too because on the inside, the way it changes gears, over there on that side somewhere it's got some buttons right there somewhere that you push to change the gears. Not sure if you can see them in this video. They're right in there somewhere. LeBaron, Chrysler Imperial LeBaron. I don't know. I thought it was a Chrysler, maybe not. And on that wheel there, I remember breaking off some of the lug nuts because it's reverse threads. But that's the car. That thing would look tight if it was restored. Look at that humongous praying mantis. That dude is huge. That's an anthill, and in Georgia, they're pretty crazy. I don't ever remember seeing one of these in Maryland or Virginia. They probably have them, but you see them all over the place here. It's a big anthill. Looks like the water's been running out okay for the first one I dug. Let's check out the one in the back. Wow, the one in the back is a mess, big time. This stuff, they just tear it right up. Probably ought to just dig that out of there. Uh-oh, here comes trouble. Hey, buddy. This is an awesome horse right here. I mean a cat. This is an awesome cat right here. Good kitty. Good kitty. It's like, don't call me a cat.
Douchebag.
See if you can get it.
Trying to figure out where the hell they're hitting at.
I think to the left a little. They're hitting to the left.
Oh.
Forgot I put 5 in there. Got that some salt. I did everything you can. I can't get it today.
He can't get the keys.
Damn, them things stink. Pretty sure that's all. Because I wanted
Well,
to.
hell, if you can get any closer, I don't know how you would.
I should have put the earplugs in.
Yeah. 357. Where is it? Oh.
You missed it. Shockwave got it. What I said, those aren't hitting the. Those
Boy, he's trying real hard.
Okay.
Give up, Sean. Give up, Sean.
I think mine's coming close as fuck.
All right, hold on, Joseph. Let me get behind you and kind of like get like a point of view. All right, ready? Uh-oh, where's... Oh, it is recording.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
I just can't get over this gun. And how inaccurate I am with it.
all that matters, Joseph, is the combat accuracy. If you can hit somebody with it.
Yeah.
Knocking cans is fun, but it's all about combat accuracy. If you can hit a man-sized target at 7 yards, you'll be all right.
He got one.
Fun. That's pretty sick. The SIG, right?
Sig, yep.
Nice.
1100.
That's what I'm gonna do here. Take these last 10 rounds and aim for it.
All right, try for that Black Ops can. Let's see if you can get it. It's the red one. Oh, so close. Yeah! Pretty sure you got it that time. And again. Maybe again. He's making that can dance over there now.
Pretty sure that was 6, but you might.
Yeah.
Cool.
Nice. That one's pretty sick too.
Mhm.
And that's a 357, right? Cool.
Yeah, you're making that can dance that time.
I hope so. Was there any holes in it?
Yeah, there's a bunch of holes.
So he's ahead of me now.
I think we're damn today.
Oh my God, what was that?
I don't know what the hell happened there.
I think the Black Ops can is about dead.
Probably so.
Almost had them all down here.
I think that's 6. Yeah, we'll shoot that some salt. Whole back of it's about gone.
Can again.
Okay.
Where is it?
It's on the pumpkin.
It's on the pumpkin. I pumpkinized it.
I think you got it too.
Yeah. That's the good thing about it being on the pumpkin. You'd have had to hit it for it to move. Instead of the dirt. Oh, there goes some. Did
It's
you
gone.
see it?
What was it?
Epsom
shot
salt. Now
way
it shot
over
up
there.
over the top of the hill. He hit the bottom of it. Those are black powder loads. It looks like.
They're awfully
I think you
smoky.
got one more.
And I missed.